Okay, all right. So go to page 94 in your book, please. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to look through these statements and decide for yourself if they are true or false. So do you need to talk to anybody?
On phone, maybe.
No.
Ah,
Okay, so are they true or are they false on your own? Okay, 1 more minute.
We need to send you a message in the chat.
You can raise your hand. Click the button to raise. click the button. To raise your hand. Okay, so you can stop wherever you are. I'm going to put you in groups to discuss your answers together. Okie dokie?
Yep.
So when you receive the request to go to a room, please go to the room and discuss with your partner.
because it's much more strange than second, maybe. I hope that it's true.
What's the first? What your first?
The US has a higher percentage of millionaires than any other country. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's true.
So I really don't know because on the one hand, in America has a lot of rich people. We
can prove it was wrong.
We have questions about
Is passport the same thing as ID, or it's two different?
No, it's two different things.
So I think then that's true.
So it is true?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe not.
The average American husband does 50% of the housework.
Also?
I don't know, true maybe. So liberal.
True, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we are done.
Oh, good. Great. Then, you can leave the breakout room and go back to the main room. You see
Okay.
at the bottom, it says leave breakout room or something in Russian.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Выйти из сессионного зала. Yeah.
Yep.
It's more comfortable. Do it at home, maybe.
Yeah. It's so strange that you're all at my house, though.
And in the same way, same time.
You are in Russia or in America, maybe? No.
Of course, I'm in Russia. I'm right down the street from school in my house.
Mhm.
Okay, we're still waiting on Nikita and Slava. They have 10 seconds to join us.
Okay. They are really difficult questions.
Yeah.
For two of these, I really don't know question. I write true and false both.
Okay. Maybe we'll learn something today in class.
I hope
So
so.
let's take a look at the questions together. Okay, so let's talk about number 1. Do you think it's true or false, Dmitry? Number 1.
I think it's true.
Does everyone think it's true?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, it's false.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah, the US
I
is
was
number
right.
7 on the list.
Who is the first?
The first is Singapore.
Singapore.
Mm,
Yes. Okay, how about number 2, Nadine?
Number 2 is false, I think.
Number 2 is true.
Oh.
All right, Dmitry, number 10, what do you think?
I'm sure that it's true.
It is true. You are right.
Hmm.
So in the US, if you say football, what does an American think you're talking about?
Rugby.
Not rugby.
American football.
Yeah, American football is very different and hardly uses your feet at all. Okay,
Yes.
good. All right, so you see at the bottom of that exercise, it says look at the bold verbs. Circle the ones that are auxiliary verbs. What is an auxiliary verb?
Hmm. It's verb. It's special verb to help us to develop a sentence.
Sure. It doesn't carry any meaning for the sentence. It just tells you what tense it's going to be, or if it's a question, or if it's a negative, right? So if we look at number 1, the bold word is has. Is has an auxiliary verb or a main verb in this sentence?
Auxiliary, maybe?
No.
No.
Right, main verb. So I'm not going to circle that one. How about in number 2, we have aren't and are. Auxiliary or main verbs?
Auxiliary.
Right, so I'm going to circle aren't and are. What's the main verb in this sentence?
Spells.
Exactly. So you can do the rest of them on your own. I'll give you 3 minutes to do that. Okay, are you ready to check? Not yet? All right. Okay, so we said aren't and are. Dmitry, how about number 3? Auxiliary verb or not?
I think not.
I disagree. What's the main verb in this sentence, Nadine?
Own.
Own.
Yeah, own. Right. So don't is an auxiliary verb here. It shows that this verb is negative. How about number 4, Murat? Okay. And number 10, Nikita.
Yeah. Is auxiliary verb.
Good. What about
Had and had, yes.
What
And been too,
good?
because cold is the main verb.
Yes, very nice. Well done. Yay. Good. Any questions about that so far? Nope. Okay.